In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable speak, auto text, typing feedback in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot spoken content. When I see spoken content, I tap on it, and that takes me into the section where the speech and reading features are managed. Alright, now that I'm on the spoken content screen, I'm looking for typing feedback. Once I find it, I tap on typing feedback to open it up, and this brings me into another screen with additional options related to spoken typing responses. At this point, I scroll toward the bottom of the page, just moving down slowly until I see the option labeled Speak Auto Text. When I find it, I tap the toggle to turn it on. The change happens immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save, and if I ever want to disable it, I just tap that same toggle again. Once that's done, I pause here for a moment just to make sure everything is set the way I want. I can stay on this screen or back out whenever I'm ready, since everything updates automatically without extra steps. Now I'm backing out through the menu step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to adjust it again, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap spoken content, open typing feedback, scroll down, and toggle speak auto text on or off. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to enable or disable speak auto text typing feedback on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to revisit whenever you need to change it again.